how we can solve this tricky math question: 2 divided by 4 over 4 divided by 2, and we have to find its value. Most people gave its answer 1 by just looking it, but 1 is not correct answer. We have to solve this question according to some rules, order of operations. And first of all, we have to make two parentheses. The first parenthesis have 2 divided by 4, and this fraction is converted into division, and it is 4 divided by 2. It is written in second parenthesis. Here we have to apply KCF. 2 divided by 4 can be written as in this way: divided by, it will become 2, because 4 divided by 2 gives us 2. Now apply KCF. 2 over 4 as it is. Divide is changed into multiplication. 2 is flipped. It will become 1 over 2. Now 2 is cancelled with 2, and our answer will be 1 over 4. Those who calculated answer in their heads as 1 is incorrect, and our correct answer will be 1 over 4. Thank you for your support.